Have you ever connected to public Wi-Fi and wondered how much information your device is leaking? One of the most overlooked pieces of data your device gives away without your permission is your MAC address. In today's video, I'll show you what a MAC address is, why it matters, and how changing or masking it help protect your anonymity, help protect you online. So most people, if they are on the internet, they don't know this their MAC address is also broadcasted out. If you go through Wireshark, I had a Wireshark video, or I'm going to make a video on Wireshark and configurations and so many other things on Wireshark. So you are going to see how your MAC address is being broadcasted online also. So then what's the MAC address? The MAC address is just a unique identifier. So your MAC address can also be a physical address. You can call it MAC address or physical address. So your MAC address is a unique identifier which your manufacturer had coded into your device. So it's a unique identifier what they use to identify your device. So, and you can see this is an example of a MAC address. You can see 001AC27B0047. Then you can see it's 48-bit long. You can see it's 48-bit long and it's in 6 group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's how to identify a MAC address. Most MAC address looks like this. So looks like this, looks in this format. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and hexadecimal. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you on how to change your MAC address on your Windows device. So very easy and straightforward. So I'm going to first open my command prompts. The command prompt. Okay. You can open your command prompts. You can press Control Windows R to open your. I've just typed CMD. So what we are going to do next is I'm going to type my IP config. Well, IP config is what you use to check your networking interface on your Windows. So why IF config is for the Linux. So IP config -vol. So this dashboard is going to show you your full address. It's going to show you something like this. So you can see I'm connected using Ethernet. So you can see my physical address, which is this. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's an hexadecimal. So this is where you see your physical address, which is under my Ethernet. I'm using a VirtualBox. So I'm under Ethernet. So you can also check if you are connected using Wi-Fi on your normal Windows, you are going to see your wireless adapter network and you're going to see the MAC address. So that's how to view your MAC address. Now notice this my MAC address like this. Let me copy it. Let me copy my MAC address. I press my Ctrl C, then I paste it, press my notepad. Let me clear this. Then this is my MAC address now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my browser. Then I type Technician MAC address changer. So it's very easy. Just go to Technician MAC address changer. So Technician MAC address changer changes your MAC address for you. Instead of going through the long route of you changing your MAC address on Windows, it's very easy. And also make sure you download it from the official site, technetium.com. Don't download it from any other place. If not, you might be downloading a malware. And that might cause issue. So you click on it, bring you to their official sites. Then you're going to see the features, how does it work, how to change MAC address, and so many other things if you are interested in reading that. So I'll click on download now. So download now, you are going to see this direct download and download from torrents. You can do torrents download, then you can do direct download, anyone you prefer. It's very easy. So you are going to get it downloaded into your system. It's in my downloads already. You can see TMAC is going to show like this, TMAC V606 6.0.7. So I'm going to go to my downloads. This is my downloads, TMAC. Then I'm going to unzip it. On Windows 10, I think Windows 10, if you don't have a WinRAR, if you don't have something that can extract it, you are going to just see a normal file which you can extract. So just download your WinRAR, when you download WinRAR, install your WinRAR, then you can be able to extract this. But on Windows 11, it's still already. So it's not on WinRAR, is not there, but an extractor is there for you. So I'm just going to right click on this, and I click on extract all. Then I click extract. Then it's going to extract. Then you can see this. Then you are going to see the extracted file. You click on it twice, and you are going to see the setup. So I'm going to right click on it again. Then I click on open. Then I click yes. Then you can see the installation. I think you can call it an installation wizard. Anyway, so that's next. So you can see, you can read this just to, read about the policies. So I agree to the terms of agreement. So click on agree, then next, then next, then next. Then it's going to start installing. Could not extract file we ignore to continue with installation. Let me ignore first. Yours might not show that because I've installed this earlier than I uninstalled, just to show you how it's being done. So I click on finish, then it's being installed. So if I go to my I click on my Windows icon, then I can type my Technetium. CMac. Okay, CMac. Then I just type CMac, then I open it twice. It's going to show this. Okay. It's going to bring something like this. Very, very easy. So it's going to bring something like this. And notice my MAC address now, which is B8, which I copied here. So what I'm going to do next is I come here, you can see my internet debugger 000, then my normal internet. You can see it. Identify my MAC address, which is B8B3DC, then B8B3DC A63B, then CE. Then you can see many other configurations. So what we are doing in this video is just I'm going to create a random MAC address. So it creates a random MAC address for you, or just for educational purpose only, you can spoof someone's MAC address. You can have someone's MAC address. Just clear this off. You can have someone's MAC address and copy it and paste it here. If you have someone's MAC address and paste it here, then you can be able to you are going to do an impersonation, just like impersonation on that device. So it's mostly important in ARP spoofing. If you're in ARP poisoning, you are doing ARP poisoning, you have to do this MAC address changer in order to behave just like the device the router is sending it to. But in this place, I'm just going to create a random MAC address. So I create a random MAC address. Then you're going to see 00OB61F73838DA. So this will be our MAC address. So I'm going to just click on yes here. In this case, I'm going to click on this. Then I click on change now. Then you can see your MAC address was changed successfully. So now if you go back, then you see this. You can see I'm going to now type my ipconfig -all. You can see now my MAC address is being changed, OB61F73BDA. And you can see our former MAC address, which is our original MAC address. You can see it's very, very different. You can see CET are different. So your MAC address have been changed successfully. So that's just the first step of you being implementing anonymity on your device. So this video is for educational purpose only. And also subscribe for more. I'm going to do another video on changing your MAC address on Linux operating system. On Linux. So stay active.